Good morning, dear kids. Today I'm taking your new topic, that is chapter 8, exercise 8.1. In that, we are taking with the topic which is percentages. This is a chapter which consists of all the mixed topics. You will see ahead what all topics we will convert in chapter 8. We are taking with exercise 8.1. Let's start. Find the ratio of following: speed of cycle 15 km per hour to speed of scooter 30 km per hour. Now my dear kids, speed of cycle to speed of scooter, you have to find the ratio. So when we find ratio, we will write 15 km जो कि speed of cycle है upon 30 km per hour जो कि speed of scooter है. Dear kids, whenever you are finding ratio, make sure that those quantities which are given to you, the units of those quantities are always same. If the units are not same, then you have to convert into the same units and then proceed further. Got my point? यहाँ पे units दोनों के किलोमीटर पर आवर हैं. So I can proceed further. 15/30 को आपको reduce करना है. So we know it is 1/2 and you have to write it in this form, that is 1:2. Got my point clear? Your second is 50 meter to 10 kilometer. Now my dear kids, 50 meter to 10 kilometer. It is 5 or 50? It is 50 here. Okay, in some textbooks we have 5 there. Okay, never mind. If it is 50 meters to 10 kilometers, my dear kids, पहले तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि 1 किलोमीटर is equal to 1000 meters. आपको 10 किलोमीटर convert करना है तो 10 into 1000 कर दो, and 50 meters को you can do, keep it 50 meters only. So now you have converted 10 kilometers in meters. So you got 50 upon something like this. Okay, my dear kids, so 5/1000. So that will be 1:200. Is that clear? Okay, your next is third. In your third, we have 50 paisa to rupees 5. 50 paisa to rupees 5. Now 5 rupees you can convert as 5 into 100, of course. So that will be 500. So now do 50 upon 500, reduce it, and that will be 1:10. Clear? Okay. We have next as convert the following ratios to percentages. Now dear kids, whenever you want to convert your ratio to percentage, always multiply by 100. Anything, whether you want to convert your ratio or fraction or decimal number into percentages. Whenever you want to find a percentage of something, you have to convert, you have to multiply with 100. Now I have 3/4, that is 3:4 I have. I can write it 3/4 and I will multiply with 100 to get my percentage. Now 4 ones are 4, 25s are, and 25 into 3 is 75%. Correct? Okay. Next is 2/3. That is 2:3. We can write it into fraction. That is 2/3. I will multiply with 100, my dear kids. Now you have to actually divide this. Multiply 2 into 100. That will be 200. And divide with 3. My dear kids, you will get 66 2/3%. Got my point? So always remember, whether it's a ratio or it's a fraction or it's a decimal number, you want to make a percentage out of it, then you have to multiply with 100. Next is we have 72% of 25 students are good in mathematics. How many are not good in mathematics? Now first तो 72% आपके good हैं, तो those who are not good in mathematics will be how many? That will be obviously 100 minus 72%. 100% totally we consider as 100%. 100% में से 72% आपके good हैं, तो बाकी remaining 28% will be not good. Got my point clear? Yes, now they have asked you how many persons are not, how many students are not good in mathematics. Matlab 28% are not good. But you have to find total number of students 25 हैं, तो आपको find करना पड़ेगा 28% of 25. 28%, जब हम परसेंट लिखते हैं हम नीचे 100 लगाते हैं. 28% का मतलब होता है 28 upon 100 into 25. Yes, my dear kids, are you getting my point clear? Yes, so that is 7. Now 7 students are not good in mathematics. But if I give you now how many students are good in mathematics, so 25 में से आप 7 not good को minus कर दो. So what will be remaining will be good in mathematics. Number of students good in mathematics, that is 18. Got my point clear? Next we have a football team won 10 matches out of total number of matches they played. If their winning percent was 40%, how many matches did they play? Yes, my dear kids, 10 matches out of total of 10 matches they have won. Okay, and 40%, that 10 matches is equal to 40% of the total. Now 40% of total means 40 upon 100. Of का मतलब multiplication. Total matches they have played we do not know, but 10 matches they have won. ठीक है, तो 10 matches which they have won is equal to 40% of total. So that's your equation. बट आपके पास टोटल नहीं है इसलिए मैं वहाँ पे x लगा देती हूँ. सो योर इक्वेशन विल बी x, कीप इट हियर. 100 take it that side into multiplication and 40 take it down. If you solve this, my dear kids, you will get 25. Yes, that is 25 matches they played in all. Clear? Question number 5 we have, if Chameli had rupees 600 left after spending 75% of her money, how much did she have in the beginning? अब 600 उसके पास left हैं, 75% spend किए हैं. 75% if she has spent, that means अगर 100 में से मैं 75 हटा देती हूँ, so 25% should be left. In percentage, 25% of the total amount should be left. But what is the amount given? Amount given is 600. So I can make an equation that 25% of the total amount is equal to 600. So amount left is 25% of the total. I don't have total money what she had, so I will put 25 upon 100 into x is equal to 600. I'll keep my x here, 600 here, and take this 100 on this side upon 25. 1s are, 4s are. And your final answer is 2400 was the amount in her hand, and now she is left with 600 rupees. Got my point clear? Next, my dear kids, it is if 60% of people in city like cricket, 30% like football, and the remaining like other games, then what percent of the people like other games? Agar, my dear kids, 60% like cricket, 30% like football, तो आपके टोटल परसेंटेज तो 90% पीपल तो यहाँ पे हो गए जो क्रिकेट और फुटबॉल को पसंद करते हैं. सो देन हाउ मेनी आर लेफ्ट फॉर अदर गेम्स? Then you have to subtract 100 minus 90%. 100% minus 90%. That is 10% are the people who like other games. Liking other games. Okay, kids? So 10% are the people who like other games. If the total number of people is 50 lakh people are there, then find the exact number who like each type of game. मतलब कितने जनों को क्रिकेट पसंद है, कितने जनों को फुटबॉल पसंद है और कितने जनों को दूसरी गेम्स पसंद है. तो उसके लिए हम लोग को क्या करना पड़ेगा? 60% आपको क्रिकेट दिया हुआ है, तो हाउ यू विल मेक इट माय डियर किड्स? इक्वेशन 60 upon 100 of what? Of total, that is 50 lakh, and get the answer. So that will be the number of people liking what? क्रिकेट. परसेंटेज में दिया हुआ था, हमने नंबर एग्जैक्ट नंबर फाइंड किया. देन यू हैव 30% लाइकिंग फुटबॉल. तो मैं कैसे लिखूंगी? 30 अपॉन 100 इंटू 50 lakh, एंड दैट विल गिव मी द आंसर फॉर पीपल हु लाइक फुटबॉल. एंड 10% रिमेनिंग लाइक अदर गेम्स. सो 10% को कैसे लिखेंगे? 10 upon 100 into 50 lakh. My dear kids, मैं into 50 lakh क्यों कर रही हूँ? Because 50 lakh is the total number of people. Okay. So उसमें से हम लोग को 10% निकालना है जो कि रेस्ट ऑफ द गेम्स प्ले करते हैं. So 50 lakh का 10% आप निकालेंगे and that will be the answer for the number of people liking other games. Okay kids?